Alright, so we got Funyuns, Maruchan, hot and spicy chicken ramen flavored onion rings. I'm optimistic. Okay, slightly ominous. Natural flavors, contains animal ingredients. They can't tell us it's chicken. Smells nice. Not sure if it smells like chicken. Yeah. Good crunch. Definitely feels like a Funyun. I don't know if I taste chicken, but it's a little spicy. It's nice. I'll definitely finish this bag. Not sure if I'd get them again. The other flavor I saw was queso of some sort, Funyuns, and that's probably gonna be my next purchase. But yeah, give them a try.